Aloha everybody! Today we're gonna learn how to make a haku lei. Haku means to braid, to compose, or arrange. So we're gonna braid in these leaves, tea leaves, into our lei, and that becomes a haku lei. And if you put your lei on your head, it's gonna be longer, but if you put it on your head, it's gonna be lei ho'o. Ho'o means head in Hawaiian. If you put it around your neck, it's going to be lei'a'i. If it's around your wrist, it's going to be lei kupe'e. It can also be on your ankle. It will also be called lei kupe'e. And today we're going to make this lei kupe'e, which can be on your wrist or as a bracelet, or if you have a long hair, you could put it around your bun like this, and it could be a headpiece.
What we will cover: what we need, how to collect the plants, how to clean the plants, how to store the plants. What we need: a clothespin, a pair of scissors, 3 brown tea leaves or 3 jute cords 25 inches long, 2 to 3 large green or red tea leaves, and if you can't get tea leaves, get 10 of long small leaves, a pareo or a cloth to make the lei on, and positive energy. How to collect the plants. Positive energy. Maintain positive energy throughout the whole process, from gathering the plants to making the lei. Your energy will be braided into your lei, so it's important to have a positive energy. If you get frustrated, stop and do something else. Come back when you feel better. Ask permission to the land and the plant. Make sure to ask permission to take the plants. You can ask in your mind, "May I?" to the land and to the plants. How to clean the leaves, and why do we need to clean them? Snails and slugs carry diseases harmful to humans, so we need to wash the leaves very well and wipe the leaves with a wet cloth. Wash your hands well with soap, or use hand sanitizer when you are done. When to collect the plants. Collect the plants on the day you are making your lei. If you collect the plants the day before, make sure you put them in a vase and keep them in a cool place. Makaukau? Are you ready? See you in part 2.